Welcome back to Toyota Speedcar. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most popular pickup trucks in the market, the Isuzu D-Max. Known for its rugged design, reliable performance, and modern features, the D-Max has consistently been a favorite among both urban drivers and off-road enthusiasts. In this review, we will take a complete look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing, so you can make an informed decision if you're considering this pickup. Starting with the exterior, the Isuzu D-Max makes a bold statement the moment you see it. The front fascia is aggressive yet refined, featuring a large chrome grille that prominently displays the Isuzu logo. The sharp LED headlights on either side not only improve night visibility but also give the truck a modern and premium appearance. Below the headlights, you'll find stylish fog lamps integrated into a well-designed bumper, which adds to its robust stance. The white glossy paint we're looking at today enhances the muscular design, reflecting light in a way that emphasizes every sculpted line across the hood and sides. The truck's profile is just as impressive. From a full side view, you can see how the body is designed for both strength and style. The muscular wheel arches house large alloy wheels, which are perfect for tackling both highways and off-road trails. The side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamic, while the door handles and subtle chrome trims add a touch of sophistication. The bed of the truck is spacious and practical, perfect for carrying equipment, luggage, or recreational gear. Whether you look at it from the front, side, or rear, the D-Max projects confidence, blending rugged utility with a polished appearance suitable for city roads and outdoor adventures alike. Toyota Speedcar. Now, stepping inside, the interior of the Isuzu D-Max surprises you with its comfort and modern design. The cabin feels spacious, with ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. The materials used are durable and of high quality, giving the truck a premium feel while still being practical for everyday use. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long journeys, upholstered either in high-grade fabric or leather, depending on the trim level. The dashboard is driver-focused and intuitive, ensuring that all controls are within easy reach. The infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen display with smartphone integration options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find a well-laid-out instrument cluster that provides clear information about speed, fuel economy, and other vehicle stats. Additional features like climate control, cup holders, and clever storage compartments enhance convenience for both short commutes and long trips. The cabin is quiet, with minimal road noise, which is impressive for a pickup truck built to handle tough terrains. Moving on to performance, the Isuzu D-Max truly shines when it comes to power and capability. It comes equipped with a robust diesel engine designed for both efficiency and strength. The engine delivers high torque, which is essential for towing heavy loads or driving on steep inclines. The transmission is smooth, offering easy gear changes whether you are driving in the city or navigating rough terrains. One of the key strengths of the D-Max is its suspension system, which strikes a balance between comfort and off-road capability. You can feel the truck absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining stability and control. Handling is precise for a pickup of this size. The steering feels responsive, and the brakes provide reliable stopping power, giving the driver confidence in all conditions. The D-Max is also equipped with advanced safety features including multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and traction control. These features ensure that both driver and passengers are protected, whether you are driving in urban traffic or exploring off-road trails. Another important aspect of the D-Max is its off-road performance. The truck is capable of handling rough terrains with ease, thanks to its high ground clearance, durable chassis, and 4x4 drivetrain options in higher trims. Whether it's muddy trails, rocky paths, or steep inclines, the D-Max maintains traction and stability, making it a reliable companion for adventurous drivers. Additionally, features like differential locks, skid plates, and all-terrain tires enhance its capability further, giving drivers the confidence to go beyond paved roads. Toyota Speedcar. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Isuzu D-Max performs well for a vehicle in its class. Diesel variants offer impressive mileage, which is essential for long-distance travel and heavy-duty usage. Combined with its large fuel tank, the D-Max is ideal for those who need a pickup that can go the distance without frequent refueling stops. Let's talk about technology and convenience features. The D-Max comes with a range of modern additions that make driving enjoyable and practical. Features like cruise control, rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and keyless entry are available in most trims. Higher-end models include additional luxuries such as automatic climate control, premium sound systems, and advanced navigation systems. These features not only enhance comfort but also contribute to the truck's overall usability in everyday life. Now, discussing pricing, the Isuzu D-Max offers competitive options depending on the variant. The base models are reasonably priced, giving buyers access to essential features and strong performance without breaking the bank. Mid-level trims include additional comfort and tech features, while top trims offer premium interiors, advanced safety systems, and off-road capabilities. The pricing positions the D-Max as an attractive choice in the pickup truck market, providing value for money whether you are using it for work, travel, or recreation. The resale value of the D-Max is also notable. Being a reliable and well-built vehicle, it retains its value well over time. Parts and maintenance are widely available, and Isuzu's reputation for durability adds to the confidence of owning this pickup. Long-term ownership is often stress-free, which is a major consideration for buyers looking for a truck that lasts. Another strength of the D-Max is its versatility. It can be a workhorse for construction, agriculture, or transport, while also serving as a comfortable family vehicle. The spacious cabin and well-designed truck bed allow for multiple use cases, making it a practical choice for those who need a multi-purpose vehicle. Its combination of strength, comfort, and style means it can handle tough jobs while still looking good on city streets. In summary, the Isuzu D-Max is a perfect blend of rugged utility, modern design, and reliable performance. Its bold exterior, comfortable interior, strong engine, advanced safety features, and competitive pricing make it a standout in the pickup truck segment. Whether you're looking for a dependable work vehicle, an off-road adventure companion, or a stylish daily driver, the D-Max offers something for everyone. Toyota Speedcar overall, the D-Max stands out for its combination of practicality, durability, and modern features. It's built to last, designed to impress, and engineered to handle almost any driving condition. For anyone in the market for a pickup truck, this is definitely a model worth considering. That wraps up our detailed review of the Isuzu D-Max. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toyota Speedcar for more detailed car reviews, latest updates, and automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the D-Max and which pickup truck you'd like us to review next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.